Welcome back to Road Warriors. Today, we dive into one of the most exciting 400cc bikes on the market, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4R. This machine isn't just another small displacement sport bike, it's a true supersport engineered for high-performance riding. Let's break down what makes the ZX-4R a game changer in the 400cc category. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Ninja ZX-4R is a 399cc inline-4 engine, a rare setup in this class. Unlike the parallel twins found in most 400cc bikes, this high-revving 4-cylinder powerplant delivers an exhilarating 80 horsepower with ram air at a screaming 15,000 RPM. That's serious power for a bike of this size, giving it an edge over competitors in both acceleration and top speed. Chassis and handling. The ZX-4R features a trellis frame derived from its bigger sibling, the ZX-10R, ensuring lightweight agility and precise handling. A Showa SFFBP front fork and a horizontal back-link rear suspension provide outstanding stability and control, whether you're carving corners or hitting the track. With a curb weight of around 189 kg, the bike strikes a perfect balance between stability and maneuverability. Electronics and rider aids. Kawasaki packed the ZX-4R with cutting-edge electronics, including a quickshifter on the SE and RR versions, traction control, and riding modes to customize your experience. The TFT display with smartphone connectivity adds a modern touch, giving riders real-time data and ride analytics. These features make the ZX-4R not just fast but also smart and adaptable. Braking and safety. With dual front disc brakes and radial-mounted calipers, the ZX-4R offers excellent stopping power. The ABS system ensures confidence-inspiring braking in all conditions. Combined with its sporty chassis, the ZX-4R delivers top-tier performance in aggressive riding situations. Final thoughts. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4R is more than just a beginner-friendly sport bike, it's a proper track-ready supersport in a compact package. Its high-revving engine, race-inspired chassis, and advanced electronics set it apart from anything else in the 400cc segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a nimble track toy or an enthusiast craving an inline-4 thrill, the ZX-4R is a serious contender. Stay tuned to Road Warriors for more bike reviews, ride experiences, and everything two wheels. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-performance content.